Right now I'm having the car on the rotisserie, but for blasting I need to bring it to a different location, and for that I need to put it on a trailer. The rotisserie is just not rigid enough that I can secure it properly, so I will build a little cart, then I can put it on that, put it on the trailer and securely strap it down. And to build that cart I want to use as less material as possible, but still want to have like a rigid solution. So I came up with this solution. These are two individual builds. This one here will be mounted in the front on the frame rails with 4 screws, and then in the bottom I will have 2 casters, movable ones, and in the rear I will also mount it on the frame rails with 4 screws, and as well having 2 plates with 2 movable casters at the bottom. The one in the front I'm going to mount here and here, right where the front axle was attached to. And the one in the rear I'm going to mount here and here, right on the frame rail where the rear axle was mounted. So this is all the material I need for the build, but before I can weld it together I need to drill the holes first. So now the material is ready, all holes are drilled, chamfered and all sharp edges removed, ready to start welding. But I'm not going to weld the whole thing together on the bench, I'm just going to weld this piece onto this one and the plates onto the bottom piece. Then I will mount everything on the car and weld it together while it is mounted to have just this distance correct. So everything is now tacked together. Now I can mount everything on the car and weld the rest. So far so good, everything tacked in place. Now I can remove both of them and weld them completely. Casters are now installed and completely welded. Now I can test it and put it on the car. I could mount it directly in this orientation, but that would be way too much weight out of balance when I try to turn the car around. Therefore I will flip the car around first, remove the connection piece, and then install it. So, and this is the final test. Overall, I'm very happy how this turned out, especially the one in the front. It's rock solid and doesn't move a tiny bit. The one in the rear, however, is not as solid due to its construction and moves a little bit. But this will definitely be good enough for what I'm using it for. Thanks for watching.